Welcome back to my channel. Okay, yes, I'm in my favorite sweatshirt again because it's all stained and painted and well, it's comfortable. And I am about to highlight my hair myself with a little kit with a little frosty tip finger and so forth. Well, let's see how this comes out. First, I'm gonna make the mixture. Then I'm gonna do a test strand. I know, I'll do it on, it's really dark under here. So that really ought to show what it will come out like. And we'll start with that because I'm not sure how this works. I used to use the caps with the little hooks and pull it out, and that was great, especially when I got help. But I'm gonna use a little fingertip and see how that works. Hopefully it's good because it's gonna save a lot of money and I really could use it. Can you see? Isn't that awful? It's gray and brown and I don't recognize myself. They make it blue so that you can see where you apply it on your hair. How handy, right? It reminds me of kind of an Eastery frosting, right? Okay, so I don't see any difference between my test strand and the one that was untreated. And that was 15 minutes. My conclusion from that was I did not put enough mixture on and it needs to stay on my hair longer. They say 15 minutes, but do not let it go beyond 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna go do this. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. I'm sorry I look so bad, but it said don't wash your hair before this. So I let it go. And I have no makeup on, and again, my favorite comfy, all messy sweatshirt. So here we go, right? And they're telling you to take like a strand from one side, treat it, and then go to the other side, go back and forth. I did read reviews and some people ran out of the mixture, and that's probably why they say go back and forth so it can stay even, and placement, right? I wanted to just kind of go back, flip it over, and then work my way back the other direction, but I'm gonna go by their suggestion the first time, and then if I see how far this goes and what it looks like in the future, because if this works, it's so much less expensive, I will get creative. We're off and running. Okay, gloves on. I do not have a rat tail comb, you know, the ones with the little point on the end for picking sections of hair, but I do have a chopstick. So I'm gonna use that. I don't know how it's gonna work. I'm gonna start on the back. Now I'm leaving my natural part because that's just where it falls. And I'm going for it. Dip the bristled end of the finger. Now I don't want to start they say 1/4 of an inch from the root. But I was reading, again, reviews and someone said it gets kind of clumpy if you do that. So that particular root started further down and then went back and she kind of feathered it in and out. And then you want to make sure you get both sides and you want to go to the end. All right, I don't want any clumping because that would stink. I see a little spot there. I'm going to smooth it out. All right, this is going to take forever, and they say 15 minutes on your hair. I don't know. By the time I get done, it will probably be an hour later. What the hell? Oh, whoops. All right, other one. Okay, let's go to the other side. Now, they did suggest using the spatula that they provide to put onto the fingertip for more precision. I don't know. I just think it takes long. I hope this comes out okay and I'm not embarrassed to go out anywhere. Now, when I go to the hairdresser and have it done professionally, I get kind of bold with the blonde and I go chunkier, and I really love it chunky. But since I'm not a professional and I have no idea what this is going to look like when it's done, I fear going head first, forgive me, into this. Oh, the finger fell off. Wow, the finger fell off. I think my my fingers are small. That's a big chunk. Oh my God. I'm just going for it. That's really chunky too. What the heck? Oh my God, I hope they go different directions. See, you know, if I'd have done it my thought, I think I would have had a better handle on the placement of it. All right, I am winging it now. Now, apparently, I've seen people that have done this, but they did it before, so they followed the highlights that they had in the past. So they would just pick those sections out and highlight them in here somewhere. And then I'm setting the clock because I'm getting a little concerned. All right, so I went and I washed my hair with my usual shampoo, and then I put the conditioner in. And now normally when I'm at the hairdresser's, I would see like almost white streaks in my hair, and then I'd be all like freaking out because when they dry it, I figure it's gonna get lighter. I'm not seeing that now. I see maybe a couple pieces. So I've got the conditioner in, and they said leave it in for 2 minutes, so that's what you're getting to see. Washed and dried. I think the fact that it's washed makes it look lighter. But I think I see the ones that were on there the longest. There's some spots that it actually shows. I think what it helped me determine is my hair takes the 30 minutes. Also, I like dynamic. So I think I'll try it again, and I will go chunkier. I will set a timer from when I start the process, because I got a little concerned about the ones that were on first and staying there the longest, right? You know, it's not like it's heat activated so that it could sit there for a little while and then they all get triggered at the same time. It's time. Maybe I need to start in other areas first, whatever is most important to me, what I'm looking for. I was hoping for something more. I don't want to damage. I was going to add some in right away, but I don't want to damage my hair. It's not a loss. I learned something from it, and hopefully other people did too. Heavier, larger sections for me. I'm only suggesting this for me because I like that chunky look. I'm not trying to fool anyone and make them think it's natural highlights. What I am hoping is that there's enough that has taken, had effect on my hair, that it will help me manage my hair. I know when I go and get my hair highlighted normally, before this year, I found my hair to be more manageable. And lately, it's been so straight and hard to hold when I want to put a bend in it, turn. So I'm looking forward to using the iron on it and see if it holds a little bit better. Till next time. Thank you so much for joining me in my little hair experiment. I'd say it was fun, but it was more like a movie that kept you on the edge of your seat. Definitely, I will be more aggressive with it next time. I hope you liked the video and share it. Give it a thumbs up if you do. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I really appreciate it. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and find your happy.